Welcome to today's episode. If you've ever felt like you spend more time managing student behaviour than actually teaching, you're not alone. The secret to reducing chaos, increasing engagement, and creating independent learners? Routines. Well-structured routines provide clarity, efficiency, and predictability, allowing students to focus on learning instead of guessing what comes next. Here's how to make routines work for you. Start small. Begin with just one or two high-impact routines, like entry routines, how students settle in, and transition routines, moving between activities. Be explicit. Model the routine, practice it together, and reinforce it daily. If students should enter quietly and start a task, demonstrate it first. Use visual and non-verbal cues, timers, hand signals, and anchor charts. Reinforce expectations without constant verbal reminders. Try this quick win. Follow the 3R rule. Role model, rehearse, reinforce, a strategy often attributed to Doug Lemont. Stay consistent, and routines will become second nature. Want more strategies? Check out our blog and podcast for real teacher examples and expert-backed insights. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip on improving your teaching practice. Let's simplify, structure, and transform learning together.